This year at the SPS show, we're showing how PLCnext technology is being used at work today. We're showing a number of different industry examples, including one example that's being used in a microbrewery. PLCnext technology is an ecosystem with 4 elements: PLCnext Control, PLCnext Engineer, the PLCnext Store, and the PLCnext Community. So traditional PLC programmers will find a familiar, comfortable programming environment in PLCnext Engineer. So they can write their programs in their favorite language, ladder logic, structured text, sequential function chart, or function block diagram. But because the PLCnext Control has an open, deterministic, real-time operating system, programmers coming from the IT world can also write programs for a PLCnext Control. So C++, C#, Java, JavaScript, Python and Rust programmers can all write applications for a PLCnext Control. And a PLCnext Control includes unique features that allow all these programming languages to be used together in a single application. So PLCnext Control really brings together the traditional PLC world with the new IT programming world. So cloud connectivity is a big topic at the show this year, and the PLCnext Control offers a number of ways to connect to cloud services, such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and even our own ProfiCloud service. The PLCnext Store is an online marketplace for function blocks, for function extensions, and even for complete automation solutions. So systems integrators can browse the store and assemble their application from apps in the PLCnext Store and download them to the PLC as easy as installing an app on their smartphone. And app developers can develop their own apps for the PLCnext Store, put those apps into the store, and then sell those to the automation community. The PLCnext community is an online community where PLCnext technology users can share knowledge and experience. For example, we have a makers blog where users can upload their success stories and their PLCnext technology projects.